Now, let me introduce you to the major features of the cleaning software and why we love it so much. This software saves time and unnecessary expense to buying so many other software. It is all in one bundle. Panapna is the easiest to use CRM with minimum learning curve. We start out with our calendar or scheduling feature. A scheduler is built in that allows you to check your availability to prevent over and under booking, so you can manage your team schedules in one centralized place. It has a cloud storage feature for work. It includes searchable database that allow users to access client and prospect information during meetings, providing the most up-to-date customer information from any access point. Every detail of the business and work kept in the cloud storage. You can save all the required and important documents in the cloud folder. Panapna manages the process of converting prospects into potential customer leads by identifying, scoring, and moving leads through the sales pipeline seamlessly. It allows flexible use of lead estimates. It has task management feature. It is important to assign and complete tasks within the time and budget. If you want to serve your customers better, then first manage your employees better. This feature helps in create and assign the task among employees based on their skill sets and availability. It also has mobility feature. Almost every business needs to access customer data outside office space. This mobility feature ensures that you can access data anytime, anywhere, and it is compatible to access with any device. This software has feature that allows account management. It contains information about account records and transaction records about the company and clients you do business with, and contract records about the people you work with. This CRM has private chat feature that allows you to interact with your employees whenever you want and connect with them individually or in groups. It provides email integration feature that allows you to automatically capture your messages to and from your contacts and clients. It also has a whiteboard where you can create document by drawing or typing and customize it according to your requirements and needs. You can do web conferences via Zoom meeting feature and connect with the workforce of your company. The WhatsApp integration feature connects your WhatsApp with the software, which can help you interact with all your clients and employees. In this software, from sales lead to bank statement or assignments to payroll, every detail is self-automated. Take a demo for free with Panapna. It has 14 days free trial and there is no requirement of credit card. There is a 60 days money back guarantee policy if you are not satisfied with the service of Panapna. Also, there is one payment plan for lifetime and you can pay according to your lead plan. If you are interested in getting started, our team is here and waiting to help you.